This is a spatchcock roasted chicken. Basically, we removed the backbone on this chicken. You can see it here. It's gonna cook quicker and more evenly.
Evenly, that's the point.
Yeah, so there is a reason you're doing it besides to make your guests giggle, okay? And what I'm gonna do is just a quick little spice blend here. Of course, I'm seasoning it from up high because that's what celebrity chefs do. It's good for the camera. Look right in the camera, just like that.
It's also, you can see that you're evenly seasoning,
Exactly,
right? Yeah.
exactly. It's dispersing the seasoning all over the place. So salt, a little black pepper, and then some of my favorite sort of quick spices here. This is a little bit of dried basil. It's gonna have a little bit of an Italian theme to it. I like minced dried onion. It's a weird ingredient, but do you like it?
No, but I like it because it has texture.
It's got a little texture. It'll caramelize. It'll sort of brown a little bit in the pan. A little chili flakes, although if I'm at home, I probably omit the chili flakes for the kids. One of my favorite spices, and I think you agree, some fennel seed, right?
I love fennel. Ground fennel, fennel pollen, fennel seed.
I'm gonna cook with clarified butter or ghee. And I have a pan over here that's set on medium. I've seasoned one side, and now I'm going to take our chicken and just start searing it right here in the pan, okay?
There you go.
So we're gonna season the other side while this is in the pan. All the same spices. That's gonna finish our seasoning. And then you can see over here in the other pan that we have
You brown her all over.
It's browned all over, golden brown, nice and looking really, really delicious. And I'm gonna now pop this chicken into the oven over there.
All right.
Slide this guy in there, okay? These are carrots that have been blanched and then grilled. And a lot of this is also—
Are those the carrot tops?
These are carrot tops,
Yeah,
right?
I always use the carrot tops for my dog's food too, by the way.
Oh my
But
gosh.
I make pestos out of them. I put it into salsa verdes. They're delicious.
That's amazing. So I also love this because we're not wasting any ingredients. This was parsley, tarragon, carrot tops.
Oh, I love tarragon too.
because-
Licoricey tarragon, yum.
Yeah, because I'm cooking for us, I'm gonna add a little jalapeno in there as well.
Nice.
And now here come the flavor boosters. Now, traditionally, I would put maybe honey in this, or even just a little bit of sugar to sort of counteract
Sprinkle,
the
right.
bitterness of the herbs. But I'm gonna add just some raisins, okay?
Oh, cool.
Raisins are gonna add a lot of natural sweetness. Some capers, which is gonna add some salty, a little brine to it. A little bit of anchovy paste.
A little squirt, very
and
traditional, and a lot of salsa verdes.
That's gonna give you the sort of umami flavor. Some garlic.
Some garlic.
A little bit of, okay, this is a tool I don't use a lot.
So just squish it with your hand.
Oh, well, you gave me, okay, can I try
You
this
don't
one?
have to.
And then here's a little bit of olive oil.
Little olive
right?
oil.
Okay, you gotta add a little bit of
A
salt.
little pinch of salt.
And you got a little bit of pepper. That's gonna work.
A little pepper.
Okay, and now we'll let this guy spin right here.
All right, honey.
Okay, all right.
Zippity-doo.
All right, and I like it chunky a little bit. I'll add a little bit more olive oil as it's spinning.
Just to like eyeball your consistency.
Exactly. And
That looks awesome.
I think we're done.
Delicious.
Yeah. And
It's wonderful, Richard.
And now, really simple, I'm just
Wonderful.
gonna toss these carrots with the salsa verde. I'll add a little bit more olive oil.
This
and
is
again,
wonderful.
So I'm gonna make a really nice ranch dressing. I'm gonna use some kefir, which is like a yogurt drink, basically. I'm gonna add a little avocado mayo. So the same sort of thing here. Avocado is the avocado oil is what's used in the mayonnaise. And that's gonna give us some body. A little sun-dried tomato, some powdered garlic, about a teaspoon here all across the board. Some onion powder.
Yum.
Here I'm using some parsley and a little bit of chives.
I like
And-
dry dill too. Dry and fresh dill are delicious.
Oh, sometimes I'll throw dill in here. The
Yep.
good thing about this ranch is it's 2 steps away from being whatever you want it to be.
Exactly.
This
You
is
can
a
play
base.
around with it. Yep.
Absolutely. I will add a little bit more, a little bit of lemon juice here too.
Sorry, I squished those pretty hard.
A drip of sherry vinegar.
Oh,
okay?
I love sherry vinegar.
I'm gonna add the drippings from the roast chicken to the
Oh,
vinaigrette.
nice.
Right? So this is gonna be,
Nice.
yeah, can you tilt it
Yeah,
for me
sure,
a little bit?
sure.
This is gonna be a roasted chicken ranch dressing.
wow.
There it is, okay.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, and
Just
I'll
perfect.
just bring this out right to the table. Just drip that in there. So we have now our 3 sauces basically: the salsa verde, the drippings,
Oh my God.
and we have our carrots.
And the carrots?
I think with the carrots, we're just gonna sort of put them right over here, like under
You want them under the bird?
Yeah, well, just like it's a family
There you
feast.
go.
There it is.
Boom.
Yes. And
Drop
what
the mic.
And what I forgot to mention is the salad. The salad is tomatoes and celery and walnuts, a little bit of celery leaves. We're not throwing any ingredients away.
Celery